Number 1. Bit For Dovetail Clamps. Route incredibly clean dovetail grooves and requires less sanding. Perfect fit for the match fit dovetail clamp system. Evacuate chips and dust, reducing friction and heat, resulting in cleaner cuts. 14-degree, half profile with unique rounded corners for smoother grooves. Router collet safety line shows how deep into the collet the bit should be. Number 2. Magnet combination square for verifying 90 and 45-degree angles in woodworking, stonemasonry, and metalworking applications. Magnetic lock with 6 rare earth magnets holds the rule in place for accurate measurements. 12-inch rule with etched graduations in inches and centimeters are staggered in a height pattern for readability. Made of stainless steel and cast zinc for durability. Number 3. Safety Kit, IncludesFeather. Receive the Magswitch Safety Kit, which includes the 1406 featherboard, 3403 grabber and 3404 push stick. The Magswitch featherboard has a unique split rail construction and preload tension designed to maintain consistent pressure across the face. The Magswitch grabber is a multi-purpose push block for ripping and routing. The Magswitch push stick has an extra tall handle that is tilted inward, away from the blade or bit location. Save 25% off MSRP when purchasing this kit. Number 4. GALAX Pro Detail Sander. Efficient and easy operation, this detail sander has 1.1 ampere power and runs at a speed of 14,000 circles per minute. Simple operation switch. Push the switch left and right to start the machine. 16 sheets of sandpaper, includes P60x4, P80x4, P100x4, P120x4. The coarse, medium, and fine grades of sandpaper make it widely used for grinding and polishing metal, wood, plastic, old furniture and other materials. Number 5. HAUTMEC X-Sharp 18N.
Universal, HAUTMEC 18 inches X-Sharp wood cutting saws for rip and cross-cut, ultra-sharp universal wood saw to many uses for professionals and around the house. This wood saw makes quick work of limbs, boards, PVC, trees, branches and a variety of other. Number 6. AUTOTOOLHOME Self-Centering. Working dowel jig, more suitable for creating different wood pin joints. 6 hardened steel bushings are provided, 2 each of 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch and 3/8 inch. Number 8. Magswitch Woodworking Tools. Your ideal featherboard that works with any push block for safe woodworking table saw cuts. Quick and easy with a low-profile design for use with your smallest table saw or coping sled. Makes your DIY crafts faster, safer and easier and is a great add. Number 9. Evolution Power Tools. Quick and easy setup, the folding legs, quick release mounting brackets and support arms that slide into the stand, allow for simple setup, storage and transport. Sturdy and robust, this miter saw stand can support long work pieces up to 118 inches in length. Number 10. GRR-RIP Block Smart Hook. Auto-retracting heel technology hooks the tail end of your board. Proprietary green GRR-RIP for extreme hold. 90-degree flip guide for vertical footing on band saws and router tables. Ergonomic handle exerts directional pressure against the fence.